Hidden deep in the forest, a once proud British icon has been left to decay.
Time has eaten through the metal, but the soul of this Jaguar still remains. For decades, this door hasn't opened. Until now.
The luxury is gone, replaced by dust, rot, and silence.
This is bigger than one person can handle. It's time to send the location and call for help.
If this Jaguar is going to live again, it starts with one call to bring it home. Carefully, the chains go on. Every move matters when lifting something this fragile. For the first time in decades, this Jaguar leaves the earth that buried it.
It may look broken, but this is the beginning of its journey back to life.
From forgotten forest to open highway, the restoration story officially begins. The journey leads us here, a restoration studio where forgotten legends are reborn.
Inside these walls, precision, passion, and craftsmanship will decide this Jaguar's fate.
Carefully, the Jaguar touches solid ground again, this time not to decay, but to recover. Before repairs begin, decades of dirt must be stripped away to reveal the truth beneath.
The first cleanse begins, washing away the years, but not yet the scars.
Specialized foam and chemicals begin breaking down years of grime, carefully preparing the surface for what comes next.
With the chemicals washed away, the true condition becomes clearer, cleaner, but still deeply scarred.
Inside, decades of dust and decay are slowly removed, revealing the structure beneath the neglect.
Every surface is treated with care as the team works to restore order inside the forgotten cabin.
With the seats removed, the Jaguar stands stripped and vulnerable, ready for deeper restoration.
The aging dashboard comes out carefully, revealing decades-old wiring hidden beneath fragile wood trim.
Piece by piece, the interior is stripped back to its core, exposing the raw structure of the Jaguar.
The heart of the Jaguar is finally lifted out, ending years of silence under that long bonnet.
On the bench, the engine tells its story: wear, corrosion, and the promise of revival.
As the engine is opened, its internal scars are revealed. This is where true restoration begins. New pistons and precision components replace the worn originals, restoring strength back into the Jaguar's core. Every movement is measured and exact, as the engine slowly regains its mechanical integrity.
With the final bolt secured, the heart of the Jaguar beats again in silent anticipation.
A careful wipe removes the last traces of grime, revealing the strength hidden beneath years of neglect. Polished and renewed, the engine now reflects the precision and passion poured into its revival.
Reborn from the inside out, the Jaguar's engine now stands ready, stronger, cleaner.
Attention now shifts to the wheels, removing decades-old rubber and corroded rims from the lifted chassis.
The brittle rubber is cut away carefully, making room for fresh performance and safer driving ahead.
As layers of oxidation disappear, the rims begin revealing their original strength and character.
Finished in a refined metallic tone, the rims regain the elegance worthy of a classic British icon.
Fresh rubber meets restored metal, giving the Jaguar the grip and confidence it once had. Balanced, clean, and precise, each wheel now reflects the quality this classic deserves. Together, the full set stands ready, waiting to carry the Jaguar forward once more.
The damaged side glass is removed with care, eliminating every trace of the Jaguar's past neglect.
With the windshield lifted away, the Jaguar stands completely exposed, ready for deeper transformation. The final piece of glass is lifted away, leaving the Jaguar completely stripped and exposed. With the shell fully bare, preparation begins, clearing away every trace of surface contamination.
Grinding away the corrosion, the team fights back against years of decay, one panel at a time.
The paint is gone, revealing pure metal underneath, the true foundation of this classic.
Inside the cabin, the same battle continues, removing corrosion to rebuild strength from within.
With corrosion removed, the interior metal is refined and smoothed, restoring structural integrity from within.
The paint is gone, revealing pure metal underneath, the true foundation of this classic.
Inside, the stripped shell reveals the true architecture of this British classic.
Precision body filler corrects every imperfection, preparing the surface for flawless refinement.
Careful shaping and sanding ensure the body regains its original elegance and flowing lines.
A flawless primer layer seals the metal, creating the perfect foundation for the Jaguar's return to color.
British Racing Green returns, reviving the identity that defines this timeless Jaguar. British Racing Green returns, reviving the identity that defines this timeless Jaguar.
Layer by layer, the deep green finish transforms bare metal into pure elegance once again. The final coat locks in brilliance, and under inspection lights, the Jaguar begins to glow. Inside the cabin, fresh paint restores harmony, bringing refinement back to every hidden surface.
The interior structure is now fully restored in rich British racing green, curing perfectly under controlled drying lights.
Stripped and rebuilt, the painted shell stands proud, its elegance reborn before final assembly begins.
The original seats tell a harsh story. Years of wear, cracked surfaces, and forgotten comfort.
The worn fabric is removed layer by layer, revealing the foundation beneath decades of use.
Fresh premium leather is carefully fitted, restoring the comfort and refinement this Jaguar once offered.
Recrafted with precision stitching and premium leather, the seats now reflect true British luxury once again.
From every angle, the craftsmanship is clear, designed to restore comfort, elegance, and authenticity.
The installation begins, carefully positioning each seat back into its rightful place.
Align center.
Connections secure. The restored dashboard is carefully secured, its classic gauges and polished wood bringing timeless character back to the cabin.
The steering wheel returns to its place, reconnecting the driver to the spirit of this classic machine.
With the seats secured, the cabin finally begins to feel complete once more. New side glass is installed with precision, restoring clarity and protection to the cabin. Chrome mirrors are aligned perfectly, adding both function and vintage charm.
The windshield settles into place, completing the Jaguar's clear and confident gaze. The rear windshield is carefully aligned and secured, completing the Jaguar's crystal clear enclosure.
Seated flush. Beam looks even.
At the rear, vibrant red lenses complete the look, restoring safety and classic character.
With strength and precision, the restored wheels are mounted, bringing stability back to the chassis.
For the first time since its rescue, the Jaguar stands proudly on its own wheels once more.
Even the smallest details matter. Precision-fitted wipers complete the Jaguar's flawless finish. Inside, craftsmanship meets elegance, where every surface reflects timeless British luxury. From every angle, the cabin now tells a story of patience, precision, and revival.
From above, its silhouette once again commands attention. Elegant, powerful, and unmistakably classic.
Reborn in British racing green, this Jaguar stands proud. A legend restored to perfection.
Reborn in British racing green, this Jaguar stands proud. A legend restored to perfection.
If you love watching legends come back to life, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to Classic Restore Hub for the next incredible restoration.